Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hell nah, मैं तो खेलूंगा ही नहीं गेम. मुझे तो I don't want to get stuck in all this nothing. There's nothing happening with me and Kashish. Hello, I am Joshua Bopana and I'm doing Fans Want to Know with India Forums.
Alright, so Jashwant, so welcome to India Forums.
Thank you for having me.
आज हम कर रहे हैं फैंस वांट टू नो सेगमेंट. जानते हैं कि जनता क्या जानना चाहती है. What is your relationship with आकृति?
अरे यार, the whole world wants to know, India wants to know, लेकिन मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हम दोनों एक दूसरे को बहुत पसंद करते हैं. We are starting from scratch. हम देखते हैं कि how compatible are we, and we are very compatible. So we are just figuring out how things move on, how it goes, how careers go, family backgrounds, everything. Like from scratch. It's a reality show relationship. So अभी के लिए we got it back, made it real, and we're keeping it as real as possible.
कुछ लोग तो शादी के बारे में भी पूछ रहे हैं. Will they end up marrying each other?
Let's see. That's all I can say.
Okay, is आकृति actually a different person on and off camera?
Nahi, she isn't. मेरे सामने तो she is very hyper, jolly, and even I am very into cutlet types. So we both have इतना सारा energy with each other, and देख जब कैमरा ऑन होता है ना, personally me also as an actor, I do get more. I do become extra. Do you not watch Bollywood? Do you see what they do? Everything is so extra with them. And if you love the camera, na, you will eventually end up being so hyper. So you'll be happy. It's not even calling extra. It's called being happy. Like right now, cameras in front of me, I'm so happy. But if you ask me such normal questions just here and there, I would not even answer it, right? Exactly.
Okay, Medha Nair asks, does your language difference affect your relationship?
नहीं यार, मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ उसके साथ पूरा टाइम हिंदी में. और ऑनेस्टली मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा बात है क्योंकि मेरा हिंदी बहुत सुधर रहा है और पिछले 2 महीने से भी इट्स मच बेटर देन स्प्लिट्स. सो फॉर मी इट्स अ गुड थिंग. लैंग्वेज बैरियर तो है. आई टेल यू वन फनी थिंग. ठीक है, तो आकृति को लगा कि मैं हमेशा हिंदी में बात करता हूँ सबके साथ, क्योंकि इसमें मैं कोशिश कर रहा था कि मैं सबके साथ हिंदी में बात करूँ ताकि मेरा हिंदी इम्प्रूव हो. बट द मोमेंट मैं मेरे दोस्तों के साथ बात करता हूँ ना, शी जस्ट लाइक, आप इंग्लिश में बात करते हो? लाइक हाँ. शी इज लाइक, आप सबके साथ इंग्लिश में बात करते हो? लाइक हाँ. देन शी लाइक, तो आप सिर्फ मेरे लिए हिंदी में बात करते हो? लाइक हाँ. एंड शी इज लाइक, ओह माय गॉड, रियली यू पुट सो मच एफर्ट फॉर मी. Yeah. And she felt even more happy after that.
Kshitiji is asking, ask him to speak in his mother tongue, please.
Wow, my mother tongue is Kurdi. Ellaro nenu lira, chai tu lira. Means how are you guys doing? All good. And yeah, it's a place called Coorg. It's in Karnataka, and it's not Kannada. We speak Kannada.
All right. फिर से मेघा नायर का सवाल है. Is Akriti better than your ex?
Wow, guys. You guys can't. Yes.
All right. Mahi Panwar बोल रही है. Why are you so cute, handsome? Why? Love her. Love you, Jash.
Oh, so sweet, यार. Like honestly, इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा है ना इसके बाद. I don't know, guys. I've worked really hard on myself. मैं ऐसा नहीं दिखता था पहले. So, done things. I was, maintain the fact that be humble, be sweet, be a good person from heart, and everything else will go through.
Trisha is asking, Jash और आकृति क्या Splitsvilla winners हैं?
Question क्या है?
क्या Jash और आकृति Splitsvilla?
Oh, guys, you want us to win? If you really do, pray for us, and we will try to make it happen.
All right. All right. Namrata is asking, do you want to reconnect with Shivika?
Woo! Nice question. Honestly, हाँ यार, हमारा बॉन्ड काफी अच्छा था शो में. हम बहुत मजे किए हैं. And ये सब सारे मजाक वाली चीजें was not there in the main episode. लेकिन अगर आप अनसीन अनदेखा देखते हो तो फिर इसमें we had so much fun. It was great, playing with each other. We had a great banter going on between both of us. And it was a good friendship, to be honest.
Sneha is asking, is he planning to appear in another show after Splitsvilla?
Do you guys want me to appear on another show? Tell me in the comment section, and I will try my best. You can my main aim would be back to acting क्योंकि जब आप reality show करते हो ना तो it takes a lot from you, drains a lot. No phones, no work, body goes for a toss. I've lost so much weight. My belt I have to add one more hole in my belt because I've lost so much weight. So again get back on track क्योंकि जब आप वापस modeling acting में जाते हो, you look at everything, and if you're not looking the best at that moment, there's so many other people, so they'll go to the other people, right? So it is tough. It takes a lot. I'll try. You guys tell me which one. कोशिश करें.
Richa is asking बहुत सारे questions, तो मैं एक एक करके पूछती हूँ.
Okay.
Your hometown?
Coorg.
Can you cook?
Yes. Fitness food. Fitness food.
Your favorite food?
Mutton biryani.
Are you single or taken?
Wow, guys. मैं बीच में हो गया. Honestly, खुद के लिए I'd say taken. Like I will personally say I am taken. But officially.
Okay. Akshu is asking, are Akriti's parents approving of you and her?
Personal question. Approving. I mean, I did speak to them. So they spoke very nicely to me. They're very sweet. They asked about me here and there to Akriti. So I think it's going well for now. Approve, reject, I can't say. But it's going good.
Muskan is asking, why did Akriti and Jashmat unfollow each other on Instagram few days back?
It was such a big thing. I have no clue. Guys, I woke up in the morning और ये सब हो रहा है. I'm like, हैं? ये कैसे हुआ? And then next moment was fine. So it ain't me. You wanna ask this question? Ask Akriti.
Royal Brahman is asking,
क्या नाम है?
give some advice to make a body like you.
Wow. Like me, eat well, eat healthy. मैं काउंट नहीं करता हूँ, मैं सोचता नहीं हूँ कि इतना कैलोरीज है ये नहीं खाना है, लेकिन अवॉइड जंक, eat healthy, get some good sleep, drink water and work out a lot.
Gunjal is asking, why did you and Nandu break up?
Why? Well, बहुत सारे differences थे, to be honest, and this is a question which again I don't like answering, but I wasn't happy and we had differences, or I had told her some things which she did not agree with. Later she came out and she's like, you said all these things, I didn't listen to you that time, but now I believe you. And I'm like, it's a little too late for that. So,
Aphrodite is asking, how is your bond with Sachin and Digvijay?
okay, Aphrodite. Okay, so bond with Sachin Digvijay. Sachin, though there is no bond. He is honestly a very bad person. Deep inside, generally हम दोस्त थे, इससे पहले दोस्त नहीं, लेकिन मैं तो फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ, and over here in Mumbai all the influencers, famous people, they play football together. तो एक दो बार मिला हूँ and seemed nice, but deep inside I realized that he's not a nice guy. I've got DMs from a lot of people accusing me of so many things. I'm like, what? This? So just girls, be careful around.
Sachin. And what about Digvijay?
Digvijay, I like him. He's nice. हमने बात की. He thinks I'm a sweet guy. I think he's a nice guy. He's also hustling. He's struggling. He's come to Mumbai. He has a dream. So I respect that dream, and he will do whatever it takes for that dream. So that's his point of view. Good for him. I respect him. He respects me.
All right, last question. Simran is asking, if not Akriti, will you pair with Kashish?
Hell nah. मैं तो खेलूंगा ही नहीं गेम. मुझे तो I don't want to get stuck in all this. There's nothing happening with me and Kashish. And you guys have so many questions. If not for Akriti, who? I would have played as anyone else. Kashish, I did say it's a viable option in the beginning, but as in the game went forward, right? This is there in the show. It was there in the beginning. So as in when I saw her throughout the show, I felt like I did the right thing by choosing Akriti, because that would not have gone anywhere, and I would not have been. So to keep it short, no.
बहुत
Reject.
लोग का दिल टूटने वाला है
हाँ
अब इस पे एडिट्स बनेंगे बेसिकली कि oh shit Kashish is so obsessed with Jashwant and now Jashwant is saying no.
Yeah, I was quite clear from the beginning. Yeah, this fans are just making edits. I was like, stop, please. And there was a funny incident that happened. That they said something about phone number. Kashish told Akriti, you can ask Josh my phone number. Wait. And I'm like, what? You tell that to my girl? And it's like, I went live. I was like, I don't even have your number saved. You're not important to me. I just had some work, so I asked you something. That's it. I don't have your number saved, so I can't send it to first of all. And stop dreaming. Please leave me alone.
That's it. That was the end of fans want to know segment. I hope
Awesome.
you enjoyed.
Awesome. It was fun.
Actually बहुत सारे सवाल थे
हाँ.
but to keep it short because बहुत सारे सवाल आकृति के related ही थे कि exactly क्या चाहिए.
Yes. Everyone's curious, I know. But
अब I think जवाब मिल गया हमें.
क्या?
अब I think जवाब मिल गया.
मिल गया. क्या था मेरा जवाब? Guys, even I'm confused. I'm not, confirmed anything.
कि देखते हैं. Go with the flow.
Go with the flow, guys. Wait for the show to finish, then we'll see.
All right. That's it. Thank you so much,
Awesome.
Jashwant.
Bye-bye.